Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to pin a message on Viber. Pinning a message on Viber keeps important information at the top of the chat for everyone to see. You can pin a message on a group or chat. First of all, open up the Viber application and go to the chat or the group conversation you want to pin the message on. Now press and hold the message that you want to pin and tap the pin button in the pop-up. Now in the pop-up, click on pin, and that's how you easily pin a conversation onto the top from the message thread. You can easily unpin the message by tapping the cross icon right next to the pinned message. And when it asks you if you'd like to remove the pin from all the users, click on OK. And that's how you easily pin and unpin a message from a chat. You can also do this on a group chat. Repeat this step whenever you want to pin a conversation so that you can keep any key messages like meeting times, reminders, or shared link visible to everyone in your Viber chats. This will also help you keep your conversations organized and never lose important info again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.